gang, it's your girl Sunny Bunny, back at it again with another banging video you already know. And today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review. Today's wig review will be by Julia's Hair. I am so excited, guys. You guys don't even understand how pressed I am right now. Let me tell you why. Because I've always wanted to work with Julia Hair. Julia Hair has definitely been a big hair company in the YouTube world, and I am super excited. I manifested it, and here I am, my first wig from Julia Hair. Okay, so let's get right into it. They sent me a headband wig, and it came with 2 headbands. Super cute, super cute. I love them. Also sent me a wig cap, and they sent me these cute lashes that I have on right now. Okay, so now let's get into the wig. So this is an ombre wig. As you can see, the roots are dark, but then it gets blonde. I believe this is 14 inches. Let me just make sure. Yes, this is 14 inches. Okay, body wave. It feels very, very soft. This is how it looks fresh out the pack. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I install this. I'm super excited. This is my first headband wig. They seem pretty simple to put on. They protect your edges because you do not have to glue your edges down. Your edges are literally left out. Or you can cover them if you want to, like this, or you can leave a little bit out like that. It's literally your preference, okay? Whatever you decide. This is the strap that is used to secure the headband wig. Sorry about that, I had to turn my notifications off. This is the strap that secures the headband wig. I really like these colors. I don't think I've ever had like a honey blonde wig. I had that bright blonde and brown wig once before, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. So let's get right into it, guys. I'm going to be going in with my extreme gel. This gel works really good, holds down my hair pretty well. I hope it slicks down my hair the way I need it to, because this is a body wave wig, not a curly wig. So I definitely need it to match. I need the wig to blend with my hair. So I really need my hair as sleek as possible. So I'm just going back through, making sure I detangle my curls again, just to make sure that my hair is super easy to sleek down, make my job easier. I'm gonna use my gel, rub it in between my hands, and just spread it throughout my hair. Then I'm going to take my hard brush and begin to sleek my hair down. Alright, now that I've braided my hair and it's out the way, I'm going to put my wig cap on that they gave me with my wig. Now, because this is a half wig, well, it's a headband wig, but it's kind of like a half wig. The color of the wig cap doesn't matter. Nobody's gonna see it. It's not supposed to give scalp, none of that. So I'm literally going to take my braid and lay it up flat like this, and then put my wig cap on. As you can see, hair is still super flat. Cool. So now for the baby hairs. Very important step. I'm going to be using Master Crown's Edge Control. Make sure you guys tap in. Tap into the Master Crown's Edge Control. My girl Bunnyy sent me this edge control. She sells it, a part of her brand. She is a bomb braider in the Baltimore area. So if you ever need a quick braider in the Baltimore area or the DMV area, check her out. She sent me this edge control, y'all, and it's the truth. Like, I was floored at how strong of a hold it has. So I'm going to be using this to achieve my baby hairs for today. So I'm not gonna do too much. I feel like this is good enough. And I'm literally just going to comb. Like, look, y'all, first pass. Look how this edge control held my baby hairs. First pass. That is lit. Thank you so much, Bunnyy, for sending me this. Thank you for even holding this giveaway. Cause honey, yes, it's giving what it needs to give. All right, that was quick and easy. That was easier than what I expected. Jeez. Okay, now I want to give myself some, give myself a little sideburns. Well, I have long sideburns as is, but I'm gonna swoop the sideburns. And these are rather long. Yeah, that's better. Wow, this might be the best edge control I've ever used, y'all. No cap. No kizzy. Let me turn the brightness down so you can. Do y'all see? Okay. I'm just saying, one pass. Usually I gotta. Okay, man. Let me. Now for the wig. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 clips and adjustable straps. And now we're going to put the wig on. Okay, feels pretty secure. Now as you can see, the band can go all the way down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first tie the band around like that. Now I'm going to fold that headband back. Wow, this is already cute. Wow, these headband wigs are a game changer. Honestly, get into it. Like, y'all get into it. Want the hair to show a little bit so it just looks more natural, but I love this. Wait till I put some curls in this hair. It's going to be a wrap, you guys. Just wait and see. To flat iron this hair, I will be using my Carmen's Professional Hot Flat Iron. This is a titanium limited edition flat iron. I really love it. It comes with this cute case so that you can put your flat iron in the case while it's still hot and it won't burn or damage anything. Let me just show you. It folds right up and clips right back, and it has like a little zipper area right here for you to put the flat iron in. Super cute, super cool, and it gets super hot and works so well. I only use Carmen Professional's flat iron since they start sending me their stuff. So I'm just going to do a cute little curls, a few little cute curls to the hair, just to, you know, to jazz it up. Nothing too serious, nothing too neat. I wanted to give like big, voluminous, bouncy curls. Wow, literally all I can say is get into it. Literally, like, let me just make this even. Okay, so I have all these headbands. I'm trying to think. Cute, but it's not giving what I'm looking for. I think I'm gonna wear my pink one today. Oh, yep. Feeling the pink for sure. Wow, Julia hair, you see it here first, folks. Y'all see it here, okay? It's giving what it needs to give. It's not going anywhere. Like, honestly, honestly, I did these little fake curls in 5 minutes, okay, thanks to my Karma Professional flat iron. Link will be in the bio. Link to this hair will be in the bio. I'm telling you, I'm putting y'all on. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Sunny Bunny gang for more videos. Stay tuned for more hair reviews. Thank you so much, Julia Hair, for sending me this bomb headband wig.